Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share our trip to a beautiful waterfall in Colorado called Adams Falls. We went there as a family and it was such a lovely experience. The trail to the waterfall is short, easy and very family friendly. It took us only about 10 to 15 minutes to reach the falls from the parking area. As we walked through the trail, we saw big pine trees, wooden bridge, and even heard the sound of the waterfall before we reached it. The weather was really nice, a little cool and perfect for hiking. When we reached Adams Falls, the view was amazing. The water was flowing so fast over the rocks, and it felt so peaceful to stand there and enjoy the sound. My little one also enjoyed the nature walk and playing near the rocks. Always stay safe near water. If you are ever visiting Rocky Mountain National Park, don't forget to check out this hidden gem. It's an easy hike with a beautiful reward at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe for more travel videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.